Hello friends, CineFX welcomes you all to my video. Today we will learn how to export our video in Premiere or any other software to get full screen video output for our latest Android devices and also in wide display devices. We will not use the crop effect that'll burn the black bar on top and bottom and also on both sides of the video. Instead, we will tweak the resolution size for 4K and HD videos so that we can get full screen output on phones, and we'll also get those cinematic black bars only on top and bottom of the video. Full screen videos we may get by making the resolution size 21:9, and so let's do little calculation. If we divide 2160 by 9 we get 240. So get the ratio 21:9. If we multiply 240 into 21 we get 5040. Now see, we are getting those black unwanted bars on both the sides. In order to get rid of those bars we will go to Effects Control Panel, and just scale up the video by 123%. Remember, when we scale up the video we will surely lose some footage details from top and bottom, but we can anytime go to Effects Panel and adjust the height up or down according to your need. So now let's go to the sequence settings and change resolution size for 1920 into 1080 footages. For HD videos we will divide 1080 by 9. Here we get 120. So if we multiply 120 into 21 we get 2520. But don't forget to scale up by 123%. Here the footage is already scaled up. So that's it for this video, and friends, as this channel is new I need your support, so just hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.